In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a smoke-filled mesh object. Please remove the default cube, and add a torus. Press R, X, and 90 to rotate the torus mesh 90 degrees on the X-axis. Press Ctrl 3 to subdivide the mesh and right-click to shade smooth. Enable screen space reflections with refraction checked. Backface culling and screen space refractions need to be checked. Pick Alpha Blend, lower the alpha setting and change the material color to gray. Roughness needs to be turned off. Create a curve circle, and if you don't have curve circle on your Blender, please activate an add-on called Add Curve Extra Objects. Press the 3D button and add a UV sphere. Scale the sphere and add a follow path constraint. Select Circle, enable Follow Curve and press the Animate Path button. The curve animation is running for 100 frames, so change the end frame to 200 to make the animation repeat itself continuously. Select the sphere and press F3 to add a quick smoke feature. Select the torus and add a smoke physics as collision. This is the end of the smoke-filled mesh tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.